Hello everyone, I am Anurag Misra, a student of class 10th of Kendra Vidyalaya Bodh. Today we will see the major crops of Maharashtra. So this is my certificate. In acknowledgement, I am very much thankful to our principal madam and my science teacher Mr. Sanatan Bhoi sir, who helped me a lot for making this project. I am also thankful to my family and friends who supported me a lot every time. So what we will see in this PPT, we will see the geography of Maharashtra, which is very important for the agriculture of a place, then the agriculture map of Maharashtra, then we will see some major crops of Maharashtra like mangoes, grapes, oranges, bananas, wheat, rice, jowar, bajra, groundnut, cotton, sugarcane, turmeric, pulses. So we will see these things. First, the geography of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the third largest state in area and second largest state in terms of population of India. It has an area of 3,07,713 square kilometer, which is 35 districts, 378 blocks, 43,711 villages, and a population of 11,23,72,972. Maharashtra is a typical monsoon climate with hot, rainy, and cold weather seasons. Tropical conditions prevail all over the state. Maharashtra is bordered by the Arabian Sea to the west, Gujarat and the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli to the northwest, Madhya Pradesh to the northeast, and Chhattisgarh to the east, Karnataka to the south, Andhra Pradesh to the southeast, and Goa to the southwest. The west flowing rivers flow into the Arabian Sea. The major rivers are Tapi, Godavari, Bhima, Krishna, Koyna, Wardha and Wanganga. The Godavari is the principal river of Maharashtra. As we know, the Godavari is also known as Dakshin Gangotri. So it is the principal river which helps a lot for agriculture in Maharashtra. So this is the map of agriculture map of Maharashtra. First, mangoes. Mangoes are cultivated in summer season. We all knew that mango are cultivated in the summer season. Maharashtra is one of the leading mango producing state of the Indian subcontinent. Alphonso or Hopos is grown primarily in the 4 districts that comprise of the Konkan belt and account for nearly 25% of the total production. The remaining 75% is Kesar. Kesar is another type of mango like Alphonso, and it is grown in the Marathwada region. Then grapes. Maharashtra is the largest producer of grapes in India with 70% of India's total grape acreage and 63% of its production. Grapes are grown in an area of 0.09 millihectare, mainly in the districts of Ahmednagar, Nasik, Pune, Solapur, Sangli and Satara. Nasik grape is a variety of grapes. So Nasik is very popular for grapes. Nasik grape is a variety of grape produced in Nasik district, which is also known as grape capital of India. So Nasik is also known as the grape capital of India. It contributes to more than half of the total grape export from the country. So the amount of grapes which are exported from our country, more than 50% of these grapes comes from Nasik. And oranges. We all know that Nagpur is very famous for oranges. It is also known as Orange City. Maharashtra is the country's largest producer and exporter of oranges. The orange is mostly cultivated in the Vidarbha region in near about 80,000 hectares area, and the production is 5 lakh tons. Nagpur is the largest producer of orange and it is also known as Orange City. Other than Nagpur, oranges is cultivated in Amravati, Akola, Wardha and Yabatmal. So these are the districts in which oranges are cultivated. Next, we will see bananas. Banana contributes 37% to the total fruit production in India. Among all the fruits that are produced in India, about 37% is only banana. Maharashtra is the second highest producer of banana in India. Jalgaon is a major banana growing district in Maharashtra which occupy 50,000 hectares area under banana. Other major banana growing districts are Buldana, Dhule, Nandubar, Nanded, Prabhani, Pune, Thane, Wardha and Yavatmal. So these are the districts of Maharashtra where bananas were cultivated on a large scale. Then wheat. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop. What is the first most important? The first is rice and then the wheat. It is main food crop in north and southwestern part of the country. This rabi crop requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. So this is a climatic condition which is required for the cultivation of wheat. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall evenly distributed over the growing season. So now we will see where these are grown in Maharashtra. So in Maharashtra, the highest producer of wheat is Ahmednagar, followed by Nasik, Pune, Solapur, Jalgaon, Satara, Dhule, Sangli and Kolhapur district. So the largest wheat producing district in Maharashtra is Ahmednagar. Then rice. It is a staple food crop of a majority of people in India. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature above 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity with an annual rainfall of above 100 centimeter. So rice is a staple food of many of the population, especially in this eastern side of India, and this requires a high temperature and humidity along with rainfall of over 100 centimeter. In Maharashtra, rice is grown in the Konkan coastal area, on the Ghats and some eastern parts. Thane is the largest producer of rice in Maharashtra. What are the other districts? Other districts like Chandrapur, Raigad, Bandhara, Kolhapur etc. are the important rice producing districts of Maharashtra. Then Jowar. Jowar is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas. Irrigation. So jowar does not get much amount of irrigation. Out of the total area under jowar cultivation in India, 50% is cultivated in Maharashtra. So more than half of the jowar is cultivated only in Maharashtra. As many as 22 districts of Maharashtra produce jowar, but Osmanabad, Nanded, Yaptamal, Buldhana, Parbhani, Kolhapur, Amravati and Ahmednagar are some important producing districts. So among the 35 districts of Maharashtra, 22 districts produce jowar on a large amount, but these are the major producer of jowar. In Maharashtra Plateau region, jowar is the staple food of the people and two crops in a year are raised here. So in Maharashtra, jowar are grown 2 times in a year and it is also the staple food of the Plateau region, the people who live in the Plateau region of the Maharashtra. Now Bajra. Bajra grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. So this is the soil required for the production of Bajra. Bajra is grown as a kharif crop in northern India, but with irrigation it can be grown as a summer crop also in southern India. So in Maharashtra it is grown in the summer season. Nasik, Dhule, Satara, Pune, Sangli, Aurangabad, Solapur, Jalgaon and Ahmednagar are the main producing districts of Bajra in Maharashtra. Then groundnut. Groundnut is a kharif crop and it accounts for about half of the major oilseeds produced in India. So what oilseeds? What are oilseeds? The seeds from which oils are produced like mustard, sunflower, etc. So groundnut occupies 50% of the total oilseed produced in the country. So what is the scenario in Maharashtra? We will see. Kolhapur of Maharashtra is the top region by groundnut production in India. In India, Kolhapur is the largest producer of groundnut, not only in Maharashtra but in whole India. Other groundnut producing areas of Maharashtra are Satara district, Pune, Dhule and Sangli. Then cotton. Cotton is very important crop in Maharashtra because Maharashtra is an area of black soil which is required for cotton. So let's see. Cotton grows well in the drier parts of the black cotton soil of the Deccan Plateau. It requires high temperature, light rainfall or irrigation, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. Maharashtra is the largest producer of cotton and produces 29.78% of the total cotton production of India. Over 80% of the production comes from Khandes, Vidarbha, Marathwada regions comprising the districts of Yaptamal, Nanded, Amravati, Parbhani, Wardha, Jalgaon, Akola, Buldhana, Nagpur, Dhule, etc. So this much of district produce cotton. So we can see that cotton is the major crop in the Maharashtra. Then sugarcane. Sugarcane is a tropical as well as subtropical crop. It grows well in hot and humid climate with a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. It is the main source of sugar, gur, khansari and molasses. So it is a very important raw material for the sugar industry, khansari industry or gur industry or the sweet making industry. Sugarcane is the most important cash crop of Maharashtra. So sugarcane is the major source of money for many of the farmers of Maharashtra. Kolhapur, Sangli and Satara are the top 3 sugarcane producing districts in Maharashtra. Next, turmeric. India accounts for about 80% of the world turmeric production and 60% of the world exports. So this is a scenario of turmeric in India. It produces 80% of the total turmeric production and it exports 60% of the world total exports. Maharashtra state in India ranks 6th in area under cultivation. The area under this crop was 11,000 hectare with a production of 45,000 tons and productivity of 4.09 tons per hectare during 2015 and 16. So what are the major turmeric producing districts? That are Sangali, Satara, Hingoli, Nanded, Parbani. Next, pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the largest consumer of pulses in the world. So why? This is because most of the people, large amount of people in India are very vegetarian and pulses absence of the meat. So hence India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry conditions. Being leguminous crop, all these crops except arhar help in restoring the soil fertility by fixing the nitrogen from the air. Maharashtra is the second largest producer of pulses with 3.9 million hectare under its cultivation. Major pulses producing districts are Akola, Parbani, Latur, Nanded and Amravati. So this much today we have covered the major crops which are grown in Maharashtra. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you very much.